One of the most difficult things for customers to describe is the sound that their vehicle is making. Listen to the following vehicle sounds. Do you hear tapping, squeaking, shuddering, chirping, ripping, roughness? Once the service advisor has conveyed the information that you've given to them to the automotive technician, he is going to take your vehicle for a test drive, either with you or without you, to try and identify the sounds that you have described. He may even get a fellow technician to have a listen under the hood as well. Once a diagnosis has been made, the service advisor will go over the details of everything that is needed, parts, the time, and cost, so you're fully informed. Here at North Battleford Toyota Service Department, we believe communication is key every step of the way.